since nung nag-assume po ako ng 2014 sa ICPAW, wala pong naging appropriation for confidential funds si dating Vice President Binay at si dating Vice President Robredo. Tanging si Vice President Sara Duterte lang po yung nagkaroon ng appropriation for the confidential funds.
Since you assume siya lang po ang Vice President na nagkaroon ng appropriations for confidential funds. Tama po ba?
Yes po, since September 2014 po na nag-assume ako.
Apo.
I'm showing you a document, and this document is from the Department of Budget and Management, entitled Special Allotment Release Order, dated December 22, 2014. Nakita niyo po yan? At ang purpose po is to cover confidential activities for fiscal year 2014. You see that?
Yes, sir.
And nung December 22, 2014, nasa ICFAO na po kayo. Tama po ba?
Yes po, nasa ikaw na po.
Tama po ba?
Mm.
At hindi po si Vice President Sara Duterte ang Vice President ng mga panahon na yun. Tama po ba?
Yes po. Pero na-liquidate po ba yan? That's the question.
That's the question to ICFAO actually, because ang pinapakita ko lang sa inyo is nagkaroon po ng confidential funds ang Office of the Vice President noong 2014, issued December 22, 2014.
Based on that document po,
Meron.
Meron.
You confirm. But that's okay, no? Because maybe you were just not aware yesterday when you were asked the question. I just wanted to put that on record because marami na rin pong lumalabas sa social media na si Vice President Sara Duterte lang ang Vice President na nagkaroon ng confidential funds.